Welcome back. In this video, we'll discuss about how we can use both 24 volt and 0 volt input in same PLC. Okay. For that, we will use that CPU 1215C PLC. First, two terminal is for power supply to that CPU, and here you can see that digital input as per the Siemens diagram. Here you can see that 1M is for negative power supply and plus will come to that digital input. But today that will work, and you all know about that from the field you may take the 24 volt supply from your digital sensor or the digital switch, limit switch, something like that. But today I will show that how you can connect 0 volt to that input and it will work. Okay, so for that you have to connect. Okay, I will take that a new. Here you can see that my CPU is 1516C, but I will take another PLC from 1200, that is 15 DC. That is the PLC I have right now in my hand. I am doing the program because I can show you that digital input will high or not, but better to generate output. If one of that input is high, that output will also high. So for that, okay, for that IO tag I'll use only this tag, or okay, or the number 5 tag, 0 volt input. Okay, and I'll use that output. Input is okay. Okay, input. Okay, so if the signal is okay in the I 0.5, then Q 0.0 will be generated. So in the program I will do in the main OB. Okay, so first I'll use that Q 0.0 and the input I 0.5. okay, so I'll download it. Will take some time because it's the first time. Okay, so I'll change it to okay, this is my USB to LAN card. Okay, so load. Start module. I'll set up my mobile camera to direction to that PLC. For the first time, so I'm downloading. Yes, okay, now PLC is turned on. So how I have wired, this is the incoming power cable. Okay, it's connect to that 24 volt in, and that ground is disconnected, and here you can see that L plus and M. Okay, and here you can see 1M. So I have taken this cable from, see, it's the third terminal, fourth terminal, after that ground. I have used that cable to that 1M. See, that 1M means I didn't connect as per the Siemens drawing that ground of the supply. I have connect L plus to M. So when the signal from the field, 0 volt signal from the field will come to the input, it will take. So for now I have programmed in the input 0.5, and presently I don't have the sensor. So how will do the simulation? So I have taken the M means 0 volt here. From here, that brown cable, this is the brown cable, you can see that this is the brown cable. Okay, this is the brown cable. So another end I will connect to that 0.5. So when I will connect, it should be give a output here if the signal trace by this input. Now I will connect that 0 volt which is coming from that M to that input 0.5, that is 0.5. See that 0.5 is high here, input as well as the output is high. Okay, that means it is working. Okay, but keep in mind that I have put the 24 volt in 1M, okay, as a common. So you cannot use the 24 volt input in any of that input, 14 input. Okay, means all your input should be 0 volt. That time it will work.